Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure your monitor actually supports 144Hz and that you have display port 1, 2, or HDMI 2.0 capable cable. Once done, connect that cable to the GPU port. Use the monitor OSD to confirm input. You should update GPU drivers now because driver updates expose refresh options. After installing drivers, reboot if prompted and open the display settings. You're ready to change refresh rates rather than guessing or forcing a mode. You now change the refresh rate in the operating system. On Windows, go to Display Settings, then Advanced Display, and pick the monitor. Select 144Hz from the refresh rate menu. If the option is missing, open your GPU control panel and create a custom resolution or override the refresh setting. This exposes hidden modes. Make sure scaling and resolution remain within the monitor's native limits, because forcing higher refresh at unsupported resolution can cause blank screens or unstable output. You finish by validating the new refresh rate. Check the monitor OSD and Windows Advanced Display to confirm 144Hz, then run a motion test to ensure smoothness. If you see flicker, frame drops, or a black screen, immediately revert to the previous setting, power cycle the monitor, and try a different port or a certified cable. And if problems persist, update monitor firmware and GPU BIOS where available. That single firmware update often fixes compatibility quirks and unlocks stable 144.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.